Hello everyone, welcome to Growth Finance Channel. Eager to uncover the secrets behind earning $150 a day online? Effortlessly imagine your days filled with financial freedom. This video holds the key to unlocking a world of opportunity in the digital realm. No more guessing gains or random attempts at success. It's about empowering you with actionable steps, demystifying the paths to financial independence. Not only that, this isn't just another generic tutorial. This is about practical strategies tailored for beginners, diving deep into each method's mechanics. Whether you're intrigued by faceless YouTube channels, aspiring to craft digital products, or even contemplating the power of affiliate marketing, this video serves as your comprehensive guide. This video is your catalyst, addressing that frustration head-on, providing tangible solutions and real opportunities in the vast landscape of online income generation. So buckle up and join the journey towards financial empowerment. Stay tuned till the end and witness how a few strategic insights could redefine your financial future. It's time to take that leap into the world of online income, and this video is your launchpad. Mastering diverse online revenue. Before we go through our options with making wealth online, let us first craft a roadmap for maximizing your online income through general strategies. First up, it's all about diversification. Combine multiple methods to create a robust income stream. Avoid relying solely on one source, minimizing vulnerability. Next, dive into analytics and optimization. Regularly assess performance metrics to fine-tune your strategies. Optimization is the secret sauce for boosting results across all your endeavors. But here's the networking magic. Engage with peers, collaborate on projects, and join vibrant communities. Networking opens doors to knowledge exchange and potential opportunities enriching your income journey. It's not just about one avenue. It's the orchestration of multiple income streams. Diversify smartly, optimize consistently, and network strategically. Welcome to the world where multiple revenue streams fuel your financial success. Building wealth with faceless channel. Ever wondered about the magic behind faceless YouTube channels and their earning potential? Let's unveil the secrets. First up, your content strategy is your golden ticket. Dive deep into niche-specific topics, especially those with high CPM rates, to maximize revenue. Monetization isn't just about Adsense. It's the trifecta of affiliate marketing, sponsored content, and digital product sales via your video descriptions or pinned comments. Now, let's talk scaling. As your channel gains traction, consider outsourcing video creation or expanding into related niches to broaden your reach and earnings potential. This isn't just about posting videos, it's a financial game changer. Think strategically, explore niches wisely, and watch your earnings soar. Embrace the journey of becoming a YouTube content tycoon step by step. It's not just a channel, it's your gateway to financial freedom. Virtual profit. Let's venture into the world of digital products, a lucrative avenue for boosting your income. First things first. Crafting these gems requires pinpointing market gaps or areas where you hold expertise. Create detailed, valuable content like ebooks or guides tailored to meet specific audience needs. Now, let's talk strategy. Marketing is key. Utilize social media, email campaigns, or team up with influencers to give your digital products the spotlight they deserve. But wait, there's more. Enhance the appeal of your offerings. Bundle products, throw in enticing bonuses, and create streamlined sales funnels to up those conversion rates. This isn't just about creating content. It's a financial game plan. Dive into market research, tailor your products, and market them strategically. Get ready to witness your digital creations turn into a money-making powerhouse. It's not just about products. It's about paving your way to financial triumph. Passing on skills now, let's uncover the wealth potential in online courses. It starts with crafting top-notch content. Develop comprehensive, structured courses that target specific pain points. Offer unique insights, practical examples, and actionable steps. Value is your currency here. Next up, it's all about promotion. Spread the word using YouTube, social media platforms, or engaging webinars. Offer sneak peeks or free content snippets to entice potential students. But here's the cherry on top. Build engagement. Create an interactive community within your course platform. Provide regular updates, host live sessions, and offer Q&A support. It's not just about delivering content. It's about nurturing a learning environment. Craft courses that resonate, market them strategically, and foster a community where knowledge thrives. Let's explore the realm of high payout partner products in affiliate marketing, a goldmine for boosting your income. First off, the key is in product selection. Choose products that align seamlessly with your audience's interests and needs. Scout for affiliate programs known for substantial payouts and a solid reputation. Now, on to the strategies. Marketing is your weapon. Craft in-depth reviews, comparison content, or engaging tutorials that highlight the product's benefits and features. But here's the ace up your sleeve. Establish trust. Share your own positive experiences or results with the product. Build credibility to become a reliable source of recommendations. It is not just about pushing products. It's about strategic alignment. Pick wisely, market effectively, and build trust authentically. Dive into affiliate partnerships. Resonate with your audience and watch your earnings climb. Insta Wealth Blueprint. Theme pages goldmine. Introduce Instagram theme pages, a lucrative avenue for boosting your online income. First things first. Content is king. Curate visually stunning and engaging posts that align with your chosen theme. Utilize high-quality images, reels, captivating stories, and compelling captions to captivate your audience. Now, on to the money-making tactics. Monetization is the game changer. Offer shout-outs, collaborate with brands, or host sponsored posts that resonate with your page's niche. But here's the secret sauce. Focus on engagement and growth. Interact with your audience, team up with fellow influencers, leverage relevant hashtags, and maintain a consistent posting schedule to foster exponential growth. Dive into Instagram theme pages, build your brand, and witness your online income soar. Say hello to a world where your Instagram becomes your financial canvas. Turn your video editing mastery to cash. Let's explore the lucrative world of video editing services, a gateway to bolstering your online income. First off, it's all about skill development. Hone your editing prowess using top-notch software like Adobe Premiere Pro, DaVinci Resolve, or Final Cut Pro. Offer specialized services such as color grading or motion graphics to stand out in the market. Now, on to building your portfolio. Showcase your editing finesse across various genres, blogs, tutorials, commercials, you name it. Your portfolio is your calling card. But here's the deal breaker. Client-client relations are key. Communicate effectively, grasp client needs, and deliver top-notch work within agreed timelines. It's not just about slicing and dicing videos. It's a financial skill set. Master your craft, build a killer portfolio, and foster strong client relationships. Jump into the world of video editing services where your expertise becomes your ticket to financial success. Speaking of relations, affiliate marketing. This is a goldmine for boosting your online income. First things first, product selection is paramount. Choose software solutions with recurring billing models that directly address your audience's pain points. Now, let's talk strategy. It's all about education. Craft informative content showcasing the software's features, benefits, and practical use cases. Show your audience why they need it. Long-term gains rely on strategy. Focus on building an engaged audience interested in the software's niche. Provide ongoing value, nurture relationships, and position yourself as a trusted source. It's not just about promoting software. It's about creating a symbiotic relationship. Choose wisely, educate effectively, and build lasting connections. Welcome to the world where software affiliations pave the way to continuous financial gains, wealth creation in the digital landscape. Your dedication to learning and growing your financial prowess is commendable. Here's to your prosperity and a future filled with abundance. Until next time, keep hustling and harnessing. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe to our channel. And hit the notification bell for future update. Thanks for watching.